Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Netis 8-port 1000 megabit fast Ethernet switch. This is an Ethernet switch that you can get in Amazon for less than $10 and it's pretty cheap. The box is pretty small, it is actually very small, so let's unbox it. Alright, let's open the box right now. Okay, so here we have the quick installation guide. You can see it right here. Let's try to take the switch out. And this is the switch. It is pretty small, as you can see. Let's take it out. Here you can see it. Eight ports. It is a fast Ethernet switch, so it is not gigabit, but for the price, it is a very nice switch. Let's put it over here. And here is the power supply. The power adapter. This is, let's take a look. It is 5 volts and 800 milliamps. So, yep. And there's nothing more in the box. So we have the, let's take a look over here. We have the quick installation guide, the switch, and the power supply. And you get this switch for less than $10 at Amazon. So this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you like it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and thank you for watching.